मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मुझे मौका मिला एडवांस पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन कोर्स करने का, जो योगी श्री बुद्धा देव जी ने हमें सिखाया। उन्होंने हमें सिखाया जितना ही इम्पॉर्टेंस हमारे लिए हमारा हेल्थ चेकअप है, उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंस हमारे लिए मेंटल चेकअप भी है, जो कि PLR द्वारा पॉसिबल है। उन्होंने हमें ये कोर्स में सिखाया ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजिकल पैटर्न्स के बारे में, जो कि बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन में। मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं किसी का रिग्रेशन कर पाऊँगी, लेकिन उनके बताए हुए मेथड्स जो कि बहुत इजी है, उनको यूटिलाइज़ करके मैं आज बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन किसी का कर सकती हूँ। इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ गुरुजी श्री योगी बुद्धा देव जी का और शिवानी मैम का। थैंक यू।
Yogasth Bhava, I would like to talk about what I learned in Yogasth Rishikesh Foundation. First of all, I am extremely grateful to my guru for teaching me and for making me who I am right now. It's been a beautiful journey. Thank you. In Yogasth Foundation, what I learned is the deep science behind every spiritual aspect. Let it be past life regression, Reiki, or Kriya Kundalini Yoga. So it's a true balance where you're not confused and really stuck in just spirituality. It is to apply in your real life. So this course, all these courses that I've taken up, has helped me become an excellent teacher, a beautiful healer, and has helped me grow, transform, and cultivate a better version of me. And it has helped me explore myself more and also apply it into my real life. So it's been really supportive. The whole team, the whole group of Yogasth Foundation is extremely supportive. It's like meeting your soul family. And Yogasth Foundation is a true Gurukul. This is what I would say. Thank you so much to Guruji and all the people of Yogasth Foundation. Thank you so much, Yogasth Bhava.
Course has been very important because I realized during the course that what has been stopping me from moving ahead and achieving the purpose of my life have been a lot of defense mechanisms which are a part of me. Also, my idea changed from accepting destiny to a point where I learnt that it is possible to become aware of your past life sanskaras and burn them off. Also, a very important aspect I would say at the end is that this is something everybody must do because we all have to do karma, and this course helps reducing the baggage of karma a lot.